Samsung is about to mess with its own playbook. And if you were planning to upgrade your phone in the next few months, you might want to hit pause. Because the Galaxy S25 FE isn't just coming, it's coming early. But that's not even the wild part. What if I told you this fan edition phone might quietly take over as Samsung's new entry-level flagship? Yeah, that changes everything. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Don't forget to like, share this with your favorite tech buddy, and subscribe for more updates like this, because the Galaxy S25 FE just became a lot more interesting than anyone expected. Now here's the twist. For the last couple of years, Samsung's been pretty consistent, dropping new FE phones in September or October. But this time, they're moving faster, way faster. Samsung's Mobile Raja just confirmed in a high-stakes financial meeting that the S25 FE is launching earlier, possibly around IFA Berlin in early September. And no, that wasn't a slip. This is all part of a bigger plan to boost sales and redefine the FE's role in Samsung's lineup. So why the rush? Well, here's where things get juicy. Multiple leaks suggest that Samsung might ditch the base Galaxy S26 model next year and replace it with a new Pro version. And guess who's stepping in to fill that gap at the bottom? You got it, the S25 FE. That's why this launch suddenly feels way more important. And Samsung isn't cutting corners. The S25 FE is expected to come packed with a powerful Exynos 2400 chip. Yes, the same one used in the Galaxy S24 series. Now, I know some fans get nervous when they hear Exynos, but let's be honest. This chip handled gaming and multitasking surprisingly well on the S24. Unless you're a hardcore gamer or benchmarking addict, it's going to run just fine. And it doesn't stop there. Samsung is quietly flexing some new tech muscles too. The S25 FE will support Qi2 wireless charging, which is the latest open standard meant to rival Apple's MagSafe. But here's the catch. It won't have built-in magnets. So if you're into magnetic wallets or Snap-on chargers, you'll need a MagSafe-compatible case. Not ideal, but hey, it's still ahead of the curve. Now here's something unexpected. The S25 FE might be the first traditional Samsung phone to launch with One UI 8, the latest version of their custom software, straight out of the box. That's even ahead of the S24 series in some regions. And if you've seen the early builds of One UI 8, you know it's cleaner, faster, and loaded with smart AI tools. For a fan edition device, that's kind of a flex. Camera upgrades, you're getting them. The selfie camera jumps to 12MP, matching the rest of the Galaxy S25 lineup, and it's a noticeable improvement over the 10MP on last year's FE. Around the back, Samsung's playing it safe with the same triple camera setup, 50MP main, 20MP ultra wide, and an 8MP 3x telephoto lens with OS. Still solid, and for the price point, it's hard to complain. But here's where it gets even better. Battery and charging. Leaks say about is getting a boost to 4,900 mAh up from 4,700 mAh, and wired charging speeds are jumping from 25W to 450W. That's a huge win. If you've ever stood around waiting for your phone to top up before heading out, this alone might make the upgrade worth it. Let's talk design. Leaked images show the S25 FE looking nearly identical to the S24, but here's the kicker. It's thinner and lighter. We're talking just 7.4 mm thick and 190 grams compared to the bulkier Abenum and 23 last year. Plus the bezels. Slimmer, the display is still stunning. A 6.inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with full HD resolution and that silky smooth 20Hz refresh rate. Basically, it's flagship level visual quality without the flagship price. Oh, and don't worry about durability. It's still IP68 rated, meaning it can handle water, dust, and your occasional phone dropped in the sink moment. Wireless charging remains at 50W, and Android 16 will be running the show right out of the box. So what's the catch? Honestly, we don't know the price yet, but that's part of the suspense, right? With all these upgrades, design changes, and earlier than expected launch plans, Samsung might be setting the stage for one of the best value phones of the year. And that's why this isn't just another FE launch. It could be Samsung's secret weapon for 2025. So, what do you think? Is this the smartest move Samsung's made in years? Or just hype with a prettier spec sheet? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's chat. Don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who's about to upgrade, and hit that subscribe button for more bite-sized, hype-free tech breakdowns just like this. Catch you in the next one!